Right, so somewhere, not that we haven't been tipped off, we found this online, this place. There is a cave that goes in under the cliffs, and it looks like a little door, well, a doorway, about 8 foot by 3 foot as far as I can tell. It's all fallen in. You climb over a wall, it's about 5-6 foot. It's like a grave. I reckon it's down here after last night's storm. I don't know if this is a lake or just a big puddle. Anthony's gone that way. We're going this way. Wow. Anthony's way off down there somewhere. Looks like kind of a dump here. No, not insulting the area. It's not a dump. It's a dump where they dump all the waste from the mine. It's like a meteorite's landed here. Something sunk in. Hello? Oh, no, it's a dead end. It goes round the corner and then... oh, there's a pipe.
How deep does it go?
Right in.
Whoa.
Apparently, according to the thing, it goes in, off to the left, and there's a crawl space of 18 inches, you're on your belly, and it comes up in another cave. I need to get him on a leash. Get
Whoa!
Back. What?
Oh, that's cool.
Okay. Nobody reported on this. Christ, imagine walking over there and falling down here.
Oh.
So it does look like a mine shaft in some kind of instance. Apparently, yeah, it's in and then off.
Oh my god.
Whoa, look at that. Crawl space. That's what they were saying about. Then it opens up again.
Jesus Christ, that's going to be fun.
This is cool.
It's not cool. Scary.
I'll go.
So we probably could take our bags through, actually. Probably you go through first. Looks like it opens up the other way, like I can pass the bags through.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think we need to set some lights off a minute so this shot. Are you okay to take these? I might take one of these with me.
Yeah, no worries.
Because I'm going to need a light to see. You're going to have an achievement unlocked later. No longer scared of spiders.
Cry myself to sleep.
Okay, I've got the spare battery in my pocket.
It's a good thing I'm not claustrophobic.
Wow, there's a big round thing at the end.
What?
I don't know if it does open up actually.
No, you can see it does. If you look, it does open up.
Oh, a little bit, yeah. Okay. Bloody hell.
You good? Do you want the tiny monster?
No, it's all right. I'm just trying to figure a way of... I suppose you could use this wood for push. It's just very tight at the start. You have to go off to the right. Yeah. I'm bloody moving now. It might be a dead end.
Is it actually?
I don't know. It goes low again. I'm definitely in though. I'm through the worst bit. Okay, I'm in.
Anything? Hey, what's up?
Oh. It's all good.
Watch this, ready?
It's like you're doing that worm move, breakdancing.
I am a worm.
Right. We're in, guys. This is going to be quite a cool video, I think.
I had to turn my hat backwards because I couldn't see.
Gangster style. Yeah. It does go on. It's wet.
There's a football there. Oh, really? Is it so?
Yeah. Jesus, it gets deep here. It's going to go up to probably over my knees in a minute. Water is so clear here. It's incredible. It's like there's no water. Yeah, it's so clear. There's all these timbers. It's literally about 3 inches above my knees now.
Going further?
Yeah, it keeps going.
Cold.
Yeah, it's absolutely freezing cold. I'm waist deep. I'm waist deep. Jesus, it keeps going. Oh my God. It just keeps going. Hang on. No, don't come. I think I've stopped here. It's the water level is still the same height, but the roof is only like 8 inches. Jesus Christ. It keeps going. Damn. Yeah, we can't go any further. It will be neck deep. No, seriously, it's neck deep. There's about 7 inches between the roof of the cave and the water. Yeah. I'd have to come back suitably dressed. Fucking hell. It just keeps going. That is incredible. We can't go any further today. Got to be careful coming back on this. It goes really, really deep. No, really, it's literally waist deep here.
Yeah, no, I saw on the camera. I see your face right now.
You can see the fear.
Yes.
No, I hate this, but the way in it was clear, and now it's all cloudy. I can't see where I'm putting my feet. Oh, right, it's just gone over my balls. Oh, it's gone over waist deep now. I'm stepping over a big bit of wood.
Can you take this torch out of your eyes?
Yeah, that would help actually.
I can't see anything, my hat's getting in the way.
Just keep going, you're going in the right direction. Whether it would work better like this. I think it would look better with the selfie stick going in front.
Yeah, it would. Hey babe, how you doing?
Right my face that way.
That's a big ass fly.
Okay.
so when we came out we could see where we were going.
Yeah, it also tells people we're inside, if that makes sense. Which is always a good thing, if we did get stuck. Okay, nobody reported on this.
You're right. That looks f***ing cold, man.
I'm waist deep.
I can see. Am I gonna have to come through?
That is amazing. Seriously, that is incredible. It keeps going.
It's a piece of wood's in the way.
That's a good place, isn't it? That is a fantastic find.